Hi friends, today we are going to make a portrait, in this case a self-portrait. First of all, we make a circle like this. Then at the third part, one horizontal line, a vertical line, and another line in the middle of this circle, horizontal like this. We divided it in 5 parts. Like this, 5 parts. Okay? This is a very visual video and I think you can see everything I do. The man in the picture is me. This is a self-portrait. I always teach to my students they must make self-portraits once in a while. Why? Because it is one of the best exercises to improve our drawing of portraits skills. Be patient and try to look with your eyes and not with your brain, because your brain possibly tell us how we are, but not the truth. Only our eyes tell us the truth, our image or the image of everyone we are making portraits. Okay, this is an eye. If you're wondering, I'm using a 2B pencil in this stage, in this step of the drawing. Okay. Don't hesitate if you need to erase anything or everything in a portrait. The goal is to achieve a good drawing. So if you must erase, don't be shy and erase everything. Remember, eraser is just another drawing tool, like the pencil. As you see, the video is a little accelerated, but not too much. The full self-portrait took me 30 minutes to finish it, because it is an exercise, not a full portrait that we could make to commission. I highly recommend to my students to make self-portraits as many times as they can. Okay? Try to define everything in a portrait with shadows, especially with the sides of the nose. This is a very rough drawing in my own style of making portraits, but you may use all techniques that you wish to do it, but make your self-portrait and try to improve your skills at least once by month. Okay. This circle with these lines is one of my preferred methods to begin a portrait, because it allows me to maintain the alignment of the elements of a portrait, and it allows me to work freely on every part of it. Okay. Remember, hair is not sticked to the skull. It has a volume. Okay. And define hair always with lines, not with a continue or with only one line, but with many lines, because hair is many lines in it. Okay. If you are new in this channel, I recommend you to subscribe, because even I try to upload 1 or 2 videos by week, I not always upload them the same day. So if you subscribe, YouTube notifies you every time I upload a new video. Did you wish to see them? Okay. If you are wondering, I'm using a pootie eraser or a kneaded eraser. This is just a kind of eraser that you may need to the form that you need, to the shape that you need. Okay, now the ears. As you know, I have another channel, my main channel, that it is in Spanish, and if you wish to see this same video narrated in Spanish, you have the direct link at the description of this video and in a card up to the right here. Okay. I think ears are not aligned, don't you think? I have to reconstruct. And now what I'm doing, this is one of the best things that you can do to make a portrait just before to finish it. You must put it down, turn it, okay? So your brain cannot process the image that you are drawing, and so you can see the defects that you have not seen before. Even in the video, my photo is straight up as it was always. You must turn down your photo too, okay? The photo and the drawing, all upside down. Okay, you'll see how you achieve better results if you do this when you are drawing a portrait, to eliminate some mistakes that you are unaware that you made. Okay. I really love 2B pencil. It is very useful and it serves for many things. I advise you must have at least 3 pencils. One very soft like 8B or 6B, and slightly soft like 2B or HB, and a hard pencil like 2H. With these 3 you can do almost everything. Many portraitists use the hyper-realism method, but this is not my preferred method at all, because I think that an artist must give some creative part to its portraits. If you are hyper-realistic, you cannot make anything creative. You must copy exactly your photo, and it's good, but it's not my preferred method. Okay. Another thing. Like this. The shape of the nostrils is very important. Okay, more shadows here. And shadows, the middle tones, define almost all your portrait. Proportions are important, but shadows are the most important part in our drawings when we make it with pencil. Now, with a soft brush, we can blur and soft anything that we wish to soft, to make it less rough. Okay, like this. As you see, my portrait has gained quality after I turned it upside down. Now it's more like me, like myself, like the photo. Okay, correct everything you need correct, and erase or your guidelines. Don't let them on your paper. Okay. Now I'm using a more soft pencil. This is a 4B pencil. Okay. A little more details, and now I'll give my personal touch with a black paint marker. Okay, as you'll see. One moment, this is my black paint marker, and I give some details, not too much, only some touches. I use it in my portraits, and it's part of my own style, but you may use it if you wish. But use it carefully, because too many touches, very black, may ruin your drawing. Okay friends, this is all done. See you next week. Bye!